Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel NG Finance. Today we have brought LIC's Jeevan Umang plan, which is also known as the 100-year plan. This plan is a whole life plan, which means that during the policy term you will receive survival benefit, at the time of maturity you will receive maturity benefit, and in the event of death you will receive death benefit. So let's start to look at the investment journey of a person who invests in this LIC's Jeevan Umang plan. So here we have portrayed an example for a person whose age is 26. So a person who starts investing for 15 years in the whole life investment plan at the age of 26, and he is having the income of 50,000 per month. So the investment journey is as given below. He invests rupees 12,500 per month for a period of 15 years. So during the investment period, that is 15 years, his total investment outlay is 22,33,322 rupees. That is total investment which he is doing in this plan in a period of 15 years. Now from the age of 42, he starts getting tax-free return, that is for rupees 1,48,000 every year till the age of 100. At the age of 100, he will receive policy maturity amount of 1,71,79,100 over and above the survival benefit which he will get till the age of 99. Now let's look at various life stages and the return which he will get during that age. So we have shown the illustration, that is at the age of 60 what insurance cover he will be having, what amount of cumulative yearly return he would have got, and what amount he would get if he surrenders the policy. So at the age of 60, his insurance cover will be of 97,86,500 rupees. His cumulative guaranteed yearly return would be 28,12,000, and if he surrenders the policy, then he will get 91,87,100. Same at the age of 80, the insurance cover would be around 1,49,29,500, and the cumulative return which he would have got would be 57,72,000. And also if he surrenders the policy at that point of time, then he would receive 1,40,93,300 rupees. Same at the age of 100, the return would be around 87,32,000, and on maturity he would get 1,71,79,100. Also during the policy period, another benefit which he would receive is loan facility, that is for an amount of 7,77,000 once he completes his premium payment term. After premium payment term, he would receive this amount, but during the premium payment term, he would get a higher amount of loan as he has not received his survival benefit. Now, who is eligible for this plan? That is, who can invest in this plan? So the minimum age at entry is 90 days. That is, you can plan for a child who is of an age of 90 days. You can plan for him or her. So the entry age barrier is very low, and so anybody can invest for his or her daughter or child. Now the maximum age at entry is 55 years. That is, if your age is 55 or below, you can still invest in this plan for a period of 15 years. So anybody who is planning for his retirement income, he can surely go for this plan. Now the minimum age at the end of premium paying term is 30 years. That is, if you are investing for a child, you need to invest for a period of 30 years. So the premium amount would get lower and you need to invest for 30 years. And from the 31st year, he would receive his pension income, that is tax-free income, till he achieves his age of 100. Now Let's look at some other policy overview, premium payment option, and death benefit in this plan. So the minimum basic sum assured in this plan is of rupees 2 lakh, and the minimum monthly investment is of rupees 1500. So anybody who wants to start investing for a token amount of 1500 also can start to invest in this plan. So anybody can plan for minimum of 1500, and you can increase up to 5000, 10,000, 15,000, any amount which you want to. We can obviously save this amount as it will help us in getting a tax-free guaranteed pension for lifetime. Also, the premium payment mode here is offered on monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly basis. So you can choose your flexibility to invest in this plan. What is the maximum basic sum assured? So the maximum basic sum assured has no limits, and you can get any amount of insurance or investment which you want to do in this plan. Only the criteria is that you need to have your income backed by it and your premium paying capacity, which you need to have a larger sum assured. Already discussed that the premium paying term is available in 15, 20, 25 and 30 years. So you can choose from these four options, and the policy term is for 100 years. Now the next benefit or the next feature which this plan is having is that you can have 5 types of riders. Now what are riders? Riders are basically add-ons which you get over and above your basic sum assured. So during any event or any uncertain event, you can get this kind of benefit. So LIC has 5 riders. First is LIC's accidental death and disability benefit rider. Second is LIC's accident benefit rider. Third is LIC's new term assurance rider. Fourth is LIC's new critical illness benefit rider. And fifth is LIC's premium waiver benefit rider. If you want to understand in detail about these riders, you can definitely contact our team, because in this video if I'll explain these riders then it will be a long video. Now what are the tax benefit which you will get by investing in this plan? So currently the tax system has 2 types of regime, old regime and new regime. So currently for the financial year 22-23, you can have the tax benefit of ATC. That is, if you are investing in this plan for an amount of 1,50,000, you will receive tax benefit that you can claim in your income tax return. Also the survival benefit which you will receive every year from the 16th or the year from which you will start receiving your income, from that year to the end of your policy term, the survival benefit is free, that is tax free. Also the maturity amount under this plan is tax free. So both the survival and the maturity benefit is tax free. Now after changes in the new budget proposal, which is applicable from the 1st April 2023, if your total premium for any amount of policy is above 5 lakhs, so if you have 4 policies and the total premium is above 5 lakhs, the maturity of these policies will attract tax at the time of maturity. So please plan accordingly, and advice which I will try to give you is that you can invest in this plan during the February 2023 and March 2023, because in this month if you are investing for an amount of 10 lakh or 50 lakhs, then there is no tax on the maturity amount. So this is the best tool which you can opt now, so that you can plan your investments and tax-free income for lifetime. Also this amount which we are telling you, that the amount which you will get in the survival benefit is guaranteed, and that you will be given from the very first day on the policy document written on the paper. So that is not an amount which we are just saying that you will receive, but it is guaranteed. The last thing which we need to discuss is why LIC is Jeevan Umang, or why LIC. So many other company provide such type of investment options, but once you complete the premium paying term, the risk cover stops and you will not get any kind of risk cover after the premium paying term, or after the cooling period, or you can say before your yearly income starts, that is the survival benefit starts. So that is only available in LIC's Jeevan Umang plan. Second, if you are taking insurance as an investment option, it is obvious that you are thinking for risk coverage. So if the risk only stops, that the risk coverage only stops, then why you will invest in this plan? So LIC has thought about it and has planned this plan in that manner. The income period here is up to 100 years, which is the most unique feature. Nobody can match this kind of coverage because we have approximate average age of 80-85 years, but this plan covers up to 100 years. So anybody opting for this plan will cover his entire life, right? Last but not the least, that is the claim settlement ratio of LIC and the return of your investment is highest in the industry. You can look for claim settlement ratio on the IRDAI website. How you can invest in this plan? So you can contact our team for different kinds of query about this plan. Also, we have tie up with other companies. So if you want to know about other companies' plan, you can contact us. We have mutual fund services. We have loan services. We are providing loan with relation in house loan, property loan, business loan. So you can contact us, and you can also visit our website www.ngfinance.co.in. We will be bringing many such more videos on our YouTube channel. So please follow, like, and subscribe to our channel, NG Finance. Thank you.